Hi everyone, it is my third take of trying to make my December Boxycharm Base video. So here goes nothing. Anyway, so I got this box yesterday. I didn't realize I got it until today. So I opened it up today. I haven't tried any of these things yet. This is our theme. And the theme is Gift of Glam. And I feel like maybe they chose this because they started to realize the themes weren't really matching with the things. One could hope, one could wish or dream or pray or whatever. I think this theme fits because every single month we are getting a gift, so to speak, a gift from ourselves, or in my case, a gift from my husband. So they can't go wrong with this theme. Anyway, moving past that, this box was not terrible. There was not one single thing that stood out to me. I can use everything, and I'm happy with pretty much all of it. There's a few things we'll talk about, but there wasn't like one huge standout item to me. But we will talk about all of that, and as we always do, we will start off with the possibly like least impressive or like this just wasn't that big a deal to me item. I don't have anything here that I don't like, so we'll start by saying that. And that was actually a big surprise to me because considering the BS that I've had to go through this past month with Boxycharm that we will talk about in a different video, this shocked me. So without further ado, this is the first product that I got in the December 2021 Boxycharm box. This is the Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner, and it is from Seraphine Botanicals, yes. So I will show it to you. It is a felt tip liner, black, because of course it's black. I personally only use black liners when I use them. So as you can see, it's a typical felt liner. I haven't tried any of these things yet today because, again, I only got this box today. This is nice. I will use it probably. Hey, maybe I'll use it tomorrow because I'm going to a Christmas party, so that would be fun. And then I can let you know someday in a video that's probably never going to actually exist about how it works. So anyway, that's the first one. Let's read about it. And I'm sorry if I'm all over the place today because, to be quite honest, it has been a weird month and an especially strange 24 hours for me. So, that being said, let's read about this eyeliner on our little thing here like we always do. Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanicals, water-resistant liquid eyeliner. This is vegan. There's more than one vegan thing in this box, by the way, which I noticed, and I noticed beforehand a lot of people were complaining because there weren't lots of vegan things, so I think maybe they're starting to think about doing that. I personally use non-vegan stuff all the time. That's not something that I'm concerned with, but I know a lot of people are for a lot of different reasons, so if that's something that you are worried about or care about, note that this is starting to happen. So anyway, it says, a vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink. Not surprised. For the ultimate eye definition, the micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, so you're able to create precise definition where you want. That is $18. Pretty much it's a liquid eyeliner. So, that was the first item. Very straightforward, and that is why it was the first item. I will always take another liner. What can I say? Anyway, the second item, I don't know if I'm going to love this or hate it, or it will be maybe eh. I'm guessing it'll be in the middle. I knew they were going to send me this based on things that they've sent me in the past and personal preferences. And I've already got thoughts even though I haven't even looked at it yet. So this is the Tinted Brightening and Eye Cream in the shade Whisper, which earlier today when I was trying to film, I realized there is even a shade to this. Rip the box off so you can't even tell, but the name is on there. This is an eye cream that apparently also has concealer in it. Now let me tell you, Anyone who's using an eye cream and a concealer can tell you, especially if they have my situation that you can't see because I covered it up. You can go see it over in my, oh, what was that? When I tried to tone my hair at home video because I wasn't wearing any makeup there. But anyway, if you don't need to see that to believe it, just stay here. My under eyes are so bad that I don't think a product like this will do anything to help. Now, I will try it. I will try it on a no makeup day. If I am wrong, I will make a video about this and show you. But I doubt I will be wrong. Anyway, so like I said, this is the box it came in, normal box. The squeezy tube, it has this little massager thing that they're starting to have now. And I think this is actually really cute. You can see the cap. Yeah, you can see the cap has a little plug there to keep the cap nice and neat. I actually really like that. But anyway, I have no idea if this will work or not on me, but I have my firm beliefs so far. Let's read what it has to say. This is Tint Beauty Tinted Hydrating Tinted Eye Cream. How many times can you say tint in one phrase? Anyway, Undercover apparently is what it's actually called, which that's news to me. That's the first time I'm seeing that word, is a sheer color correcting eye cream that doubles as both eye cream and concealer. The buildable sheer formulation evens out tone while hydrating the skin with skin protecting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, squalene, and apple extract. Use as desired for a well hydrated and supple finish that reduces the appearance of dark under eye circles. $24 at that price point, and with it being sheer, I will be sincerely surprised if it works. That's just me being a little salty just because, like I said, I battle my under eye circles every time I put on makeup with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of makeup. I just don't think this guy really wants to do all that. But we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. I would love it if I were wrong and if this thing worked perfectly. We will find out. And like I said, if I am wrong, I will come back and tell you I was wrong and I will show you. That being said, that was number 2. Number 3, the rest of these are kind of like about equal. So we'll just kind of pick and choose. This was my choice item. This is Real Her Dream So Big. It's an eyeshadow palette. I chose this because it looked like kind of a shimmery, silvery, or gunmetal kind of. Do you remember gunmetal from like the late 90s and early 2000s? It was a huge thing. Like it was the shade of metal. It almost felt like a gunmetal and taupe and mauve palette. And I was like, this is me. It's my time. Again, it's my time. It's the 90s again. So I was wrong. The photos showed it incorrectly, but that's okay. It's still cute. These are the colors, if you can see that. They're pinky, and you know, we have so much pinky stuff coming out now. Like, it's still cute. I'll still use it. I'll probably use it tomorrow. Like I said, I have a Christmas party to go to. But I don't know, it's really cute. There are some kind of eggshell or matte shades, and then there are some shimmer ones. There's no all-out chunky glitter, so this will probably actually be better for a woman of a certain age. Although I have to say that the Venus palette that had all the chunky glitter a few months ago, that works really well for me somehow, and I love it. Anyway, so it came with this little insert, and it says, let these quotes, and I'm guessing they mean like the quotes on their packaging, act as a reminder and source of inspiration. With each application, may you reinforce the meaning of the quote and boost your self-confidence. Someone's trying to get a hold of me. Remember, you are enough. And of course, they also have like little names. So there's dream, envision, desire, imagine, ambition, encourage, inspire, aspiration, and empower. I feel like I've gotten a few things from this brand already within the past few months, and that they were okay. Maybe not the best, but okay. And I mean, they're cute, and I like the colors they've been sending me, so I'm okay with that. I'll try it out and see how it actually works. And I don't know, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see a picture of me using these together within the next week. Anyway, that was the third item. Okay, The fourth item, I also knew I was going to be getting this because it can become predictable when you've had the same box being delivered every single month for a year, but I knew I was getting this. This is a mud masky product, but I didn't know what it was, and so now I'm actually happy that I got it. This is the Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask, 3-in-1 formula. So basically this is a cleanser, which yes, I needed. I was hoping I'd get a cleanser. You put it on and you leave it like we used to do in the 90s with Noxzema, right? But this is supposed to actually work, and it should, because this item that was upside down was $59, supposedly. I would never pay $59 for this. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I would never. But anyway, it's supposed to be good. Let's read about it. So that is the Mud Masky, I can't talk, Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. This non-foaming, fragrance-free cleansing mask is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Formulated with a blend of cleansing minerals and Mud Masky's signature premium Moroccan lava clay, which is interesting because Morocco and the Netherlands are nowhere near each other, but okay. This effective formula aids in restoring your skin's pH levels, reducing redness, and preventing acne. Like I said, $59. Now, what I want to know, I should know this, but I don't. Does Morocco have any volcanoes? I'm sure they had some like in prehistory, but I don't know. I guess that's going to be my next little rabbit hole. I'm going to find out. Anyway, so that's what they said. And also, I believe I did not read their blurb about this. So we'll backtrack. This, yes, these 9 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades are infused with avocado oil, coconut oil, and other vegan powerhouse ingredients. Vegan, that was the other vegan item. For hydration and anti-aging properties. Now, that's interesting. I don't hate it. I doubt if it'll work. But again, I'll use it anyway. Who cares? Like, that sounds pretty okay. $28. I would have believed if this had been the $28 item and this had been the $59 item. This seems like it's higher end than like $20 or $30. It really does. This seems really nice for that price, which is good. This, I don't know, like, I don't know what it is. It's not that their stuff is bad, but I will say I had to stop using the eye serum they sent me from this brand because it was making me look older. Anyway, let's talk about the last item that I got in my December Boxycharm. And I did save this one for last because it is a very well-known cult favorite. And so those are always nice to get in something like this. And they haven't done that for a long time, other than, you know, us being able to choose the NARS Orgasm Blush. I think, was that this month? Is that for January or was that for November? I don't know, but I already had it, so. Anyway, so this item is the Benefit Georgia Peach Blush, obviously in a full size, since again, it's always full size. If anyone doesn't actually know what this looks like, then let me show you. It's your basic kind of peachy pink blush. It does look good on a variety of skin tones. I wouldn't say all of them, but a variety. This is kind of like Benefit's almost version of the NARS Orgasm Blush. So my brain's kind of working on that, like why they would have both of these within such a short time frame. But whatever. This is a very well-known product, and a lot of people really like it. I actually had a full size of this in one of their blush palettes. It had I think yeah, I had 2 bronzers and 3 blushes, and I used the whole thing, so I'm sure I'll use the whole thing again. This is a very good everyday blush for people who are extremely pale. You're throwing on your makeup in the morning, you're half awake, you're not going to overdo it with this. So I do really like that they included something like this, and I'm kind of wondering if they included just this shade or if they did like a variety of all-time favorites from Benefit. But anyway, this is just exactly like what you would pick up from Sephora or wherever. It's in the cute little box. It has the mirror. It has the brush that you don't want to use if you know anything about makeup. It's just really generally a cute, good, solid item to have. And I'm actually very proud of them. Like, they listen to us and they're trying to do a good job in this department. So let's read about that. Even though we all already know what it is, in case you don't, in case you're new to makeup, I understand. So this is the Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush. And it says, a peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite, Georgia Golden Peach Blush, is back and sweeter than ever. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer for a hint of glow. This silky smooth, superfine powder blends effortlessly to give cheeks a fresh, picked flush and a peachy keen sheen. That is $30. $30, almost $30. I would pay more for both of these. Again. So anyway, those are the 5 items that I got in this box for this month. You know, I'm actually pleasantly surprised because, like I'm pretty sure I said at the beginning of this video, this company has put me through hell, okay, for the past month. Or not even the past month, but it seemed like a month, the past few weeks, over something, a product that I got from them, and it broke immediately when I tried to use it, and it's just been a mess. But we will talk about that in a different video. I will actually do a whole video on that because it's just a very convoluted, stupid situation. But that incident had me absolutely positive that I was going to stop getting Boxycharm, and just everything that was going down. I'm very pleasantly surprised by this box. Like, there wasn't any one huge standout thing here, but putting in a solid cult favorite, I think they knew that they had to do that. I think they knew they were in trouble. A lot of people have been angry with a lot of the changes they've been making, and I'm kind of almost curious to see what they're going to keep doing, because if they're throwing in stuff like this, and I mean, this isn't like, you know, this isn't like 111 skin, you know, but at the same time, it's solid. Like, I keep saying it's solid, like everyone likes this. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But in any case, I would love to hear what you got in your box, if you are still getting your box. If you are not getting a box, and you used to, I would love to know why. We can talk about that a little bit more, like I said, in my next video. If you want to watch that next video and you are not subscribed to me, please subscribe. I have a New Year's resolution, which literally never happens anymore. I have a few of them. One of them is I do want to actually get subscribers. So if you watch my videos, or if you were inclined to support me in any way, I would love it. It would be so fantastic for me if you would just like subscribe to the video, or excuse me, to my channel. And I'm thinking maybe I will do a small giveaway when we get to a certain amount of people, but we will see how that goes. I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver, so we'll just see. But in any case, it was great to see you again, and I will see you again soon in another video. Bye.